Imagine juggling 3 full-time jobs. Sounds impossible, right? Think again. In a world that's constantly evolving, the traditional 9-to-5 is becoming a thing of the past. More people are exploring unconventional work setups, and believe it or not, successfully managing 3 full-time jobs. One from the comfort of your home, another in the healthcare sector, and a third one that could be anything under the sun. Intrigued? Stay tuned to discover how you can make this happen. First up, the home-based job. An opportunity right at your fingertips. Imagine a work scenario where the commute involves just a few steps from your bedroom to your home office. That's the beauty of a home-based job. It offers flexibility, comfort, and the privilege to design your own workspace. Securing a home-based job is no different from any other job hunt. It requires a polished resume, a well-crafted cover letter, and the ability to sell your skills during interviews. But remember, certain roles fit the home-based job model better. Think content creation, customer service, or data entry. However, the convenience of home-based jobs doesn't come without its challenges. Time management and discipline are crucial. You're your own boss, and with that comes the responsibility to stay productive and meet deadlines. With the right mindset and discipline, a home-based job can be a game changer. Next, we explore the rewarding world of healthcare jobs, such as being a caregiver. Entering the healthcare field can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can become a fulfilling career path. The first step is to understand the qualifications required. These may vary, but typically a high school diploma or equivalent is the minimum requirement. Further training or certification such as CPR or first aid is often preferred and sometimes necessary. Next, consider the commitment this job requires. As a caregiver, your role is crucial. You'll be responsible for the well-being of someone else, which requires dedication, patience, and a deep sense of empathy. Remember that the healthcare field is not limited to hospitals or clinics. There are opportunities in home healthcare, assisted living facilities, and even hospices. Each setting presents unique challenges and rewards, offering you a chance to find the perfect fit for your skills and interests. But what truly sets healthcare jobs apart is the fulfillment it brings. When you choose to be a caregiver, you're choosing to make a real difference in someone else's life. It's about providing comfort, companionship, and dignity to those in need. The role of a caregiver is not for everyone. It requires a certain kind of heart and a certain kind of spirit. But if you have the passion and dedication, this could be the perfect career for you. Being a caregiver is not just a job, it's a calling. If you have the heart for it, it can be a deeply rewarding experience. Last but not least, the third job. It's time to push the boundaries. What if this third job was more than just another income stream? What if it was your escape, your passion, your joy? This job is your chance to do something you love. Have you always wanted to teach guitar? Perhaps you have a knack for creating beautiful handmade jewelry, or maybe you're a whiz at graphic design. This is your opportunity to turn your hobby into a money-making endeavor. It's about creating a balance between work, passion, and income. This job should be something that invigorates you, something that you look forward to, not something that adds to your stress. Remember, this isn't about overworking yourself, it's about maximizing your potential and doing what you love. You're not just earning, you're also learning and growing in the process. So let your third job be a reflection of your passion, something that brings joy to your life. Your third job can be your creative outlet, your stress reliever, and an additional income stream. Make it count. 3 full-time jobs? Yes, you can make it work. Now, we've covered the what and how of having 3 jobs. Let's talk about making it all work. Managing time is crucial. Think of your day as a pie chart, divided into slices for each job, personal time, and rest. To maintain a healthy work-life balance, ensure you're not skimping on that personal time and rest. Working from home, in healthcare, and a third job can seem overwhelming. But remember, it's all about staying motivated. Set small, achievable goals for each job. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Be consistent, keep your eye on the prize, and remind yourself why you're doing this. And finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. Eat healthily, exercise regularly, and make sure to get enough sleep. After all, you're the engine that keeps this machine running. Challenge the norm, push your limits, and make the impossible possible.